Hello and welcome to ISE in Barcelona 2026. Today we are here at NEXT Audiogroup. We are working with them for last 7.5 years. Incredible brand right in the middle of Portugal. Everything is 100% made in Portugal. Today we've got the product specialist, Mr. David, right here with us. And he's right here to take us to the stand and show us all the incredible products which we are bringing into UK for UK market, for install and rental market.
Thank you. That's such a good introduction. Wow. I mean, I have to live up to that. Thank you.
Tell us something about the brand,
well,
please.
I'm David Ferreira, and I am here at ISE 2026 with Fahad, and we are NEXT Audiogroup. That is who we are. We are manufacturing, shipping all the way from Portugal, and today I'm going to talk you through some of the products that we've launched, about who we are, what we do. I personally have been with the company for about 1.5 years. Before that, I was based in the UK, and now I'm going to show you and talk you through some of the new products. So we're going to start right over here. Over here, we have the new software called X-Rig. This is the rigging software that we have for our line array, our point source, the Pro Audio and the mock-up, and the SP12 and SP8, which we will discuss a bit later, to finalize and formulate the safety factors for rigging a system safely, fast, efficiently. We also have XNet. XNet is our proprietary software which basically controls the ecosystem of our active sound systems as well as our new power amplifier. XNet is a remote monitoring system, an integrated environment for control and network management, as well as FIR filters, DSP, and just general, easy to use system management across the board. Unified universe XNet ecosystem. So we have here the LA26 and the LAS 15A Plus subwoofer line array combo. This is a small format compact line array system, fully active on the subwoofers. The subwoofers have 2 amplifier channels, one for the sub and one for an external, either powering 4 LA26 elements or a passive LA15 Plus. The LA26 is a 6.5 inch planar diaphragm, small format, 2-inch compression driver, very, very open, very, very coherent, all within the XNet ecosystem with a 15-inch subwoofer at 2,500 watts, external output of 2,500 watts, just showing you the active circuitry and amplification with 2 channels of amplification class D, XNet DSP with FIR filters, all running through to the panel. It's the LA26, and it has a 3-point adjusting rigging system for easy deployment and safety factors.
Before we go to the next product, I would emphasize on something really important for UK market. This is one of our hottest selling line array system for small rental companies, especially someone who is looking for a really compact system, something really powerful, something really gives a good punch, something which is right on the money, and it's a great return of investment. LA26, never forget. Let's move to the beast, SP8.
So this is the belle of the ball, the star of the show. We have the SP8. This is a 2-way active full range point source loudspeaker. It has 2 Class D amplifier channels as well as the XNet ecosystem that we spoke about earlier. It's running a dual 8-inch with a quad coil technology, which allows it to hit some really low bass without saturating. Also has a 3-inch compression driver and an externally rotatable waveguide that can be easily to deploy in terms of horizontal and vertical dispersion. If you take a look behind us, we can see it's the same amplifier module as we had before. So all of this unifies under the XNet ecosystem. Analog and AES inputs. Obviously, you've got Ethernet control to connect on the remote network of the XNet. And we have polyurea finish on the cabinet, as well as a steel perforated grille.
This is the product which has been recently launched at ISE 2026. This is talk of the town. When we had a live demonstration by Mr. Antonio, who is the founder and owner of this company, I swear to God, I was absolutely stunned, moved, and I was really impressed with the phenomenal lows and mids of the speaker. Sometimes you feel you do not need subwoofers with that because it does everything. You can use it either horizontally or you can use it in vertical position, and it is so quick to deploy that I can tell you honestly, you do not need so much manpower to deploy this SP8 beast. It does look small, but boy, the performance, it has absolutely moved people who were listening in live audio demo session.
Thank you,
Let's move on to SP12 and see what it brings to our performance.
Let's take a look inside. Follow me. So over here we have the SP12. This is the bigger brother of the SP8. We have a dual 12-inch dipole configuration on the low frequency. It is a 3-way point source loudspeaker with a ring radiator coaxial for the mids and for the highs. Also an easily rotatable horn that can be used with the grill on. No need to remove the grill. No need to use any external tools. And quick deployment. Same concept as the SP8. Vertical, horizontal, quick, easy, powerful. This is running 3-way with a 3-channel Class D amplifier running on the XNet 96 kilohertz DSP processor with FIR filters, all the network control, all the remote monitoring, all the network management that you need. It is also a powerhouse. It is 142 dB AES-75. I want to show you inside of the SP12 so we can take a look at what is the inner workings. Here you have the two 12 inches and the ring radiator for the SP12.
I would like to attract the attention of all the clubs, bars, and places where they need something really budget friendly, something where they do not need so much equipment to deploy. SP12 on its own can do the job absolutely phenomenally. You just need 2 of these in one of your club with 2 pairs of dual 18-inch subwoofer. Let's move on to the next product.
So right over here now, we have the brand new, just launched X80 power amplifier. This is an XNet DSP driven 96 kilohertz DSP 4-channel power amplifier. 4 channels of 2000 watts at 4 ohms, all running with the XNet integrated software, as we can see behind us here, as well as a front panel for easy access to input, filters, matrix, speakerway crossovers, as well as the gain delays and all the secret sauce that makes Next speakers sound amazing.
Let's move on to the next product. This is another amazing beast, SP12i version. Mr. David, who has got hands-on experience to tell us more about this incredible product. Let's have a listen and pay more attention to what he says.
So the SP12i is the latest edition. It's the same thing as the SP12, apart from the active part as well as the need for any portable or easily touring available features. So we have obviously a rotatable horn inside, but that's not externally available because this is for installation. It's an installation product. But we have dual 12s with the mid-high ring coaxial radiator. We have the same enclosure, but then at the back we have a passive crossover filter, which allows you to run the speaker in full range at 4 ohms and 1,600 watts. It also comes with a gasket and rubber gasket for weather resistance. I'll show you at the back here. And as we can see, this is purely for installation. And if you're looking for a high output installation product, 3-way point source cabinet, the SP12i is the beast to do it.
Absolutely. We'll now move to one of the best line array NEXT Audiogroup has ever produced and manufactured in sunny Portugal. We'll quickly take you through the beast LA210X, which will really change the game in the market and which will be right heads-on with all other brands available in Europe. Mr. David, please tell us more about it.
As you can see, this is the flagship line array product from NEXT Audiogroup. It's an LA210X. As with all of our speakers that we just spoke about, it has an integrated active circuitry with a 3-channel Class D amplifier running 2 10s and a ring radiator for the mids and highs. It has 100-degree dispersion on the horizontal for even coverage all the way down to 300 hertz. All running on XNet, all running on Class D amplification, and all running on power factor correction, which means you can run it, all of these systems, anywhere in the world, not just the UK. Fahad.
Let me honestly give my honest review as a person. Consider me as a general member of public. Yesterday, I had live demonstration of its LA210X. Every single person available in the demo room, they had to actually really be engaged, listening to the incredible quality it delivers, the incredible SPL level, sound pressure level, which comes out from this beast. It was unbelievable. The room where we had a demo, it was buzzing, it was screaming, and people were absolutely involved who were there in the demonstration. We'll now take you to one of the latest model which recently been launched by NEXT Audiogroup, Mocha Line Array in white, which is now available to order for UK market. For rentals, this is one of the best ultra compact system, really, really good. We'll quickly take you through, and Mr. David will talk more about it.
Thank you, Fahad. So as you can see, here we have the Mocha in white. The Mocha is a standalone line array plug-and-play system. Over here, we have just the tops, because we were just showing off the white. But we're going to move over just a little bit, and I will show you what the Mocha integrated system, standalone system, actually compiles on. But the white is super sexy, and we love it. Just follow me. So over here, we have the Mocha, and here we have a 15-inch subwoofer, which is active, 4 channels of amplification, powering a passive subwoofer with 15s, and then 4 line array elements of a 9-inch coaxial driver with a 100-degree waveguide. This over here is basically a plug and play. So the way this works is, this is one system. So in the real world, you have this times 2 for a left and right signal, and then this can easily be deployed for rental companies, installations in venues. And what makes it really unique is because the plug and play means you really spend minimal time with the technical department or a technical guy, because you have 10 presets, including cardioid, which can quickly set through, let go take control of your desk or whatever you're doing in terms of the event, and quick and easy, one-man deployment, and it is scalable. You can add, as we saw with the white, you can fly the subs and the top separately or together. There's hardware for that. There's dollies, there's flight cases, comes with the cabling. Really, if you're looking for a line array, and you're looking for something that's quick and easy to deploy, sounds absolutely amazing, Mocha's the beast.
You missed something which is really affordable. This is available to order for UK market, and if you're really interested to have something really compact, something really does the job with so much less manpower, something which would deliver,
That's the one.
and it will go above and beyond our expectations. That's Mocha at the moment. In Europe, this has been out of stock. The moment stock comes, it goes out of stock. Why? Because the demand of this line array system is sky high. Take us through with the incredible battery-powered speakers. We would like to know more about them.
So here we have the Maverick series. We have the MV6 and the MV10. These are portable battery-powered loudspeakers with 2 channels on a mixer, as well as USB and Bluetooth capabilities. And we also have some control on EQ. This is made for portable, for busking musicians, self-monitoring. You can also use this for satellite speakers for events where running cables with power is a problem. We have the 6-inch version and the 10-inch version two-way. Same amplification, same electronics. Really good and portable, really robust, and absolutely sound phenomenal.
This product, whenever we get into UK, it just sells out in the first week when we receive the stock. So if you really want to get your hands onto something incredible, battery powered, something really affordable, these battery powered speakers are right for you. Briefly take us through all your installation speakers.
Well, I'll give you a quick rundown through here. We have the ceiling speakers over here, low profile, very easy to install. It's just a magnetic grill which clips on. You can go this side, probably easier. We have the 8-inch over here with the white grill. The key thing about the C5 Pro, C6 Pro, and the C8 Pro is we have a pivoting HF, which means you can angle the high frequencies away from reflective surfaces or where you need the energy to be. We have an environmental equalizer, which helps tune and attenuate the sound depending on the environment, and each one has the same features. You can also buy a black grill if required, but they do come in white. we have the new S8A installation subwoofer, which is flyable, wall mountable, as well as under banquette seating. It is 200 watts and 8 ohms, active speaker for sub installations. This can be married with the ceiling speakers or our surface mount speakers. And the surface mount speakers we have here is the T6 and the T4. These are IP66 rated plastic enclosures for indoor and outdoor. You're looking at voltage taps as well for 100 volt line, plus 16 ohm impedance. We have the S10 active subwoofer for multiple multi-zone installations. And we have the P4, which is a pendant speaker, which we'll show you around the corner. But it has adapters for wall mounting as well as the garden. So if you need them to go outside. This is the 4-inch coaxial. And this is IP66 rated as well. And if you flip it around this side, guys, follow me. We have the P4 hanging as a pendant. It's the same speaker as we saw, as a standard pendant option. And then the P6, which is the bigger brother, also a 6-inch coaxial driver, IP66 rated. And all of this, for an integration and installation purposes, can be run with the new amplifier that we have, an Audiocom, which is an 83,000, which is a 3,000 watt, 4 by 750 watt Class D amplifier for multi-zones control. You have an interface that can be used via Wi-Fi that will allow you to control the inputs, outputs, the catering of the zones and the matrix. And then we have its little brother, which is the AD500, which is a 500 watt, 4-channel, 150 by 4 installation power amplifier.
Let me attract the attention of all the installation companies, people who are doing installation projects for residential luxury environments, where you have clients who are looking for outdoor speakers for around their swimming pools, around their gardens. This P6 is available, ready to order, and this is something really, really interesting for you to quote to your clients and see what it delivers. We have sold so many of them to the private clients who do not like to be published on social media. But yes, I can tell you, the feedback we have received incredibly from every single client of ours in the UK. It has been incredibly phenomenal. And that all credit goes to the incredible family in Portugal. NEXT Audiogroup started in 1978, manufacturing amplifiers, moved into pro audio arena. Now they are well known in 55 plus countries around the world. I would like to urge every single person in UK, you got to open your eyes and pay attention what we are talking about here. We are talking about something really different, something really phenomenal, something really which you would like to try once and you would never go elsewhere. It's been absolute pleasure seeing you, David.
Thank you so much.
And I would love to visit your factory and we would do a factory tour with you as well, with yourself, and see how it would.
See you soon.
Thank you.